What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to our next episode of our Shopify Masterclass. Now, in this episode, I'm going to share with you a Facebook ad template that I have been using along with my students to actually get as high as 20% click-through rates for our Facebook ads. Now, if you have watched any of my Shopify Masterclass series and you've enjoyed them, make sure you click the subscribe button right below. Click that notification bell button so that each time I release a brand new video, you will be notified right away. Now, again, in this video, we're gonna talk about what you need to have in your Facebook ads, especially when you are drop shipping of Shopify. So this ad template, we've been using it for nearly a year now, and it has been having tremendous impact in our businesses, not just mine, but also my students. We've seen as high as 20% click-through rate link with this ad template. But I'm actually gonna share with you the checklist, what you need in your Facebook ad that you can start applying in your business right away to actually achieve a higher click-through rate. So the first thing that you really need is basically what we call a headline. Now, when it comes to the headline, what you want to do is the first sentence, okay? The first sentence in your post text, you want to basically have less than 5 words to get across the message. This is basically your hook. What are you using to actually hook your audience to actually pay attention to your ad? All right, so I'm gonna put headline equal to hook. The second thing that you need is right after the hook, you want to actually have a sentence or two, okay, 1 to 2 sentences that really have emotional triggers to address the solution to the problem that the audience is facing or why your customer or your audience need your product. So basically this is basically why. You need to address why, and this is 1 to 2 sentences. And that's what you need to have, right? You got them hooked, you got them interested, you really have emotional trigger on why they actually should check out your product, check out your ad. This is all answered over here. By this time, now, if they are continuing through your ad, the next thing that you want to have is an offer. You don't want to basically directly start selling to them right away at the front. You want to then get them hooked, get them interested in your product, and present them an offer. You can say, get this product for free, just pay shipping. You can say, get 50% off today. You can actually say, buy 2, get 1 free. Whatever strategy that you are using should be placed in the offer. Now, the last part is very important that every single person absolutely needs to do to increase your click-through rate for your ad, which is having a call to action with link. Now you might be wondering, well, what am I talking about? Well, you want to basically have, say, shop now, and then provide a link right in your post text. By doing so, you are now having an other placement, an other area in your Facebook ad that the audience can actually click on to go to your landing page. So basically right now you can see, like, pretend this is your video or this is your image. This is how a Facebook ad look like. Right now, when you have a call to action and a link, this is going to be a blue hyperlink. And we are all trained when we use the internet, when we browse online, if there is a blue underline link or text, it is basically a link going to somewhere. By having this, instead of right now having a place where it says the button sign, shop now, not just on here, but here you now have an opportunity and giving the audience the ability to actually click on here. Now here's the thing. I see a lot of people that use Bitly for this. Now, as we know, Google shortening services is gone right now. Everyone is using Bitly, but if you use Bitly, you gotta be careful, because if any of your competitor actually knows about this hack, by adding a plus sign right after your Bitly link, you are going to have your data exposed to the public and exposed to your competitor. So that's why I suggest you to basically check out Tiny. So tiny.ie, And there's a lot of amazing features that you need to actually check out on with Tiny. It's tiny.ie. They also give you the ability to have branded domains. So let's say that if you have a shop, let's say fredlam.com, I can actually use fredlam.com and then shorten the link and fredlam.com/ whatever I want for this over here. So you keep everything short, keep it branded. Branded links is proven to increase click-through rate on your ads at the same time. So definitely check out Tiny, all right? So with all these in place, the last thing that you want, okay, is basically the headline. Now in the headline, what you want to do, and we've seen this, it worked really, really well. We actually use emoji like having 5 stars because in the person's mind, when they see 5 stars, they think that it is a 5-star rating on the product. That is going to actually add in authority, and it also really helps with the psychology of the audience when they're checking out your product. Now with that, after you have the 5-star, you want to have an expanded version of your headline. That's what you want. And this is basically what you want when it comes to running a product ad, an e-commerce ad of Shopify, all right? Now, the last thing that you need to know, okay, this is very important. You want to make sure that you pamper with emoji in your ad. Now, don't overly use them. Just have it bits is here, bits is there, because it makes your ad really pops up, all right? So again, to recap, make sure you have a headline, you have a sentence or two to answer why. You have an offer that you're offering to the audience. You have a call to action link, and I highly recommend you to check out Tiny. There's a link right in the video description below that you can grab. And then right here, again, it's an expanded version of your headline. Again, this is a proven template that we've been using. And if you want to basically learn more about this, and if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, and if you really want to master Facebook ads, listen, I just released for a very limited time something called FB Playbook. It consists of literally $7 million of ad discovery all inside. And I'm offering this on a ridiculous price right now. I'll make you a master of Facebook ads, and all you got to do is right in the video description right below. There is a link that you can actually see something that on the lines of FB Playbook. It's basically my entire Facebook training that you can actually start mastering Facebook regardless of where you're at, basic, intermediate, or advanced. We cover it all right? So check it out. And again, it's on sale right now for a very limited time. So scroll down right below, look at the video description, click on that link, and check out my FB Playbook. Other than that, if you enjoy my Shopify Masterclass series, again, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you'll be notified right away. And if you have any comment or feedback, I would love to hear from you. Simply leave a comment right below. I actually check them every single day. Last but not least, if this is your first time actually watching my Shopify Masterclass, and if you want to actually see more, go to my YouTube channel. I have an entire Shopify Masterclass series that I share all my knowledge about running a successful dropshipping store. So make sure you check out the other videos. Other than that, I look forward on seeing you in our next video. Peace out.